Hi and welcome to Property Funnels. My name is David Steinberg, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your calendar account for the later after hour appointments. So if you head inside your account, you'll scroll all the way down to the bottom, click settings and click calendars. Now you might already have a calendar assigned to you, and if you don't yet, please ask your account admin to set one up for you or reach out to us to help you with that. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how the calendar is set up. So I've just got a test calendar assigned to this test user. Click edit. So click the three buttons, click edit, and you'll have three different tabs in the calendar as it relates to you. So this should already be set up for you. But what we're interested in now is the availability. So slot duration are basically how long an appointment can run. If you click on the down arrow here, you'll see there's multiples for you to select, so you can choose what works for you. So if, for example, we're using an hour and we're saying every 30 minutes on the hour, people can book in your calendar, that means every 1.5 hours, you can have a new appointment. The buffer between the appointments is, should people run over the hour, is there enough time in here to account for the buffer? So if this is greater than the 30 minutes, you're looking at an hour and 40 minutes if it's 10 minutes more. So what we're looking at now is the office hours and the latest people can book in your calendar. Your calendar is set up from a start time to an end time, which means the time the appointment ends, not the latest time people can book. So if you have a look at how it's set up in this test calendar, I've got every other day of the week except Monday and Tuesday up until 5 p.m. Monday is up until 8 p.m., which means the latest appointment that can be booked on a Monday is 6:30 p.m. because I've got an hour and a half between appointments. If you look at Tuesday, which is up until 9:30 p.m., the latest appointment, an hour and a half before this, is 8 p.m. So I'm going to show you how that looks on the calendar. So this would account for the later appointments, and the rest of the week will account for business hour appointments. So remember, Monday up until 8 p.m., which means the latest slot is 6:30 p.m., and Tuesday up until 9:30 p.m., which means the latest slot is 8 p.m. So let's click Save, and we'll click Complete. And you can go and check your own calendar by just clicking the little blue code. And what we're interested in seeing is Monday the latest slot 6:30 p.m.? So hit a Monday, load more. We've got 5 p.m. We've got 6:30 p.m. If we click again, it goes back to the beginning. So as you can see, the latest appointment I can book here after hours is 6:30 p.m. because it ends at 8 p.m. If I go to Tuesday, where the latest or the calendar is set up until 9:30 p.m., the latest slot should be 8 p.m. that people can book in my calendar. So there you go. If I go back, it goes all the way back to 12 p.m. And if I keep clicking, 8 p.m. is the last available slot. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to set up your calendar for after-hour appointments. And if you run into any problems or trouble, if you're not quite sure on how to do this, please do reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Thanks so much and take care.